Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The ringtone maker is easy to use. Follow the steps. Click Upload. Choose music files of the following formats: AAC, FLAC, M4A, MP3, OGG, WAV, WMA. Click Play to listen to your audio clip. Choose the ringtone format. Click Make Ringtone to convert the song into ringtone.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
30 seconds. 30 seconds is generally a good amount of time for a ringtone, but you can make it as short or long as you want. If it's shorter than the average ring time, it'll just loop. If it's longer, it won't play the entire thing. When you think you've got it just right, go ahead and give it a listen.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
All you need to do is to follow the 3 easy steps below to make a song a ringtone on your iPhone. Open WALTR2. Connect your iPhone to computer. Connect your iPhone via a USB cord or Wi-Fi. Drag and drop your M4R file into the app. Head to the Settings app and select your newly created ringtone.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How to make a song your ringtone. On your smartphone's home screen, tap Apps. Tap Settings. Tap Sounds and Notifications. If it's not listed under Quick Settings, scroll down to find it. Tap Ringtones Add. Choose a track from the songs already stored on your phone. Tap the song you want to use. Tap Done. The song or audio file is now your ringtone.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
40 seconds. Question. Q. Ringtone length discrepancy. Basically in all of Apple's iPhone ringtone info including GarageBand's ringtone generator, the max length for a ringtone is 40 seconds. You can create a ringtone and send it to your phone via GarageBand iTunes, and this works great.
Take our lead.
To create your ringtone in Windows, use Fried Cookie's Ringtone Maker. When you've created and saved your custom ringtone, connect your Android phone to your computer and mount it. Drag and drop your custom MP3 into the new folder. To set your new ringtone, head to Settings, Sound and select it from the list.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.